October 18th, 2023. I found this TV down the street, then drove across town on a whim and found this. It was at a house that was built in 2009. This wasn't the first house this was at. So now it's at its third house, my house. And I'm doing the video now because it was made in August. It's the 22nd right now. But I got it in October. I'm not going to do a review, so I'm doing the video now. It's 23 years old now. And it still works. Let me plug it in. Okay, watch the light dim. Nice. Not sure why it does that, but it's pretty cool. Looks pretty good. Still nice and sharp and vibrant. Gets really bright too. Sound expressionism. And this shit camera. Why don't you buy a real camera? It's in pretty good shape. A few marks. Really need to get the ducts cleaned. Pretty dusty. And this is my gaming TV. Because actually over-the-air TV looks like crap. I don't know why. Okay, let's show the I/O here. Okay, here we go. Pretty good speakers. They sound good. This is the original PS2 I had. We got it in 2009. Yeah, we got this one in 2009 at Movie Trading Co. Went there recently, got some games and DVDs. I don't know if we'll do test patterns or not. Probably will. Yeah, it's pretty sharp though. Now the sharpness turned down too. You don't need it that high. A bit dusty. That's what happens when you live in a dusty old house. I've only cleaned the screen twice while owning it. Probably have to do it again. Might hook up the DTV converter box later. In fact, I know we will. We could get a good signal. Doesn't look that great. I don't know why. Games look good though, so I'm keeping it. It's my strictly gaming PCs. I almost said gaming PCs. My strictly gaming. Used for PS2 stuff. Apparently it'll not upscale, de-interlace, and output the 480i in a PS1 game. I think that might cause lag. I have a pretty good memory though, and I don't think there's any lag. Just as bad of a driver as I've always been. Yeah, it says DVD because it's connected via component. Look at that. Love it. Got the arcade mode disc. Same pair of discs I had back in the day, which was 2009 to 2012. Played on a Philips Magnavox, one that looks like this. I've showed you a million times. Mention it in nearly every CRT video I do. Difficult. Yeah, it's not really difficult. So I bought I bought a memory card at the Movie Trading Co. It had a bunch of these cars on it. This, the VW Polo, the modded in some other cars. Like that one. There's no Acura used car dealership. They don't show up at Honda either. My Avenger, my go-to car back in the day. I always liked the old wagons too. Well, that's a newer one. There's actually one of these on the edge of town. Yeah, this generation they weren't sold in the US. The previous one was though. Let's actually cut to the replay now. Look at that. Sharp as hell. That looks amazing. TruFlat HD. Took this thing apart, but I threw the footage away, so sorry about that. I'm not opening this thing up again. Okay, I think the clown show ended in the other room. What a fucking idiot. Still have the antenna in the window. Gets garbage reception. Insignia made by LG in China. It's also a Zenith version, naturally. Not a real Zenith like that, though. As far as being made by LG in China, it's pretty impressive. Let's see the degauss hit. Dim the lights again. It's been off for a while. Didn't need a degauss. Okay, let's switch the input. Yeah, it's connected on the side because I'm lazy. Atom 12 is on and it looks like crap because the signal sucks. White balance messed up. Bulb, overcast. Perfect. Yeah, funny. Okay, now the signal is. Let's go to another channel. Me TV Tunes. Nice. Yeah, I got good signal now. I didn't know the convergence in the corners was so off. Yeah, whatever. Cartoons look good.
Yes, sir, folks. This psychology really works, don't it?
More classic cartoons will continue in a moment.
Don't do anything till we get back.
Let these cool cats
Adopt this. Good. Money is tight.
It's catchy comedy, which looks like crap. Is it the signal or what? Here's the menu. It's like really sharp. The sharpness is at. That's where the sharpness is. Yeah, but over-the-air TV looks kind of weird. Channel 3 is the output, of course. You can switch it to 4, though. This is just not a high quality source. It's free TV, can't complain about it though. I had this connected via RF, and it looked just fine.
but you know it'll keep that fall feeling going.
Samsung had the slim fit, where the tube was really slim. It was terrible. The 4x3 ones are better. This is not a slim fit. This is a Dynaflat HD. This looks good on a standard depth CRT.
What's going on, Dreamer? What are you doing over here?
Whoa.
Young lady, I got your money.
Usually don't watch stuff like this, but sometimes when I'm flipping through channels, yeah, I'll watch.
All right.
Oh, the movement is pretty good on here. Usually, it's kind of jerky.
Talk about that, didn't we, Marsha?
Yeah, Marsha like the weirdo across the street almost drove through my fucking room. She moved it. She sold the house, apparently. Great. Hope we don't get more noisy neighbors. So yeah, this thing's 23 years old and it still works. Probably had little to no use. Probably in a spare bedroom or something. And unfortunately, it didn't come with a remote. Here's what it looks like. And yeah, this thing's still working. It was made in August, not specifically this day, but I decided to do the video this month instead of in October when I got the thing. Better quit before copyright. So yeah, that's the end of the video. It's got a bleeder resistor. Hear it crackling. Sorry, it got ruined by the central air.